stops before and after the Nullarbor and showers, do we, Shazza?
No, we've had a couple of dodgy accommodations around this area, but it's okay. When you travel as far as we do, you've got to get some dodgy ones sometimes.
When we came over last time when we stayed, they had no water that night because the camels had kicked the hose off the pump.
Which is a true story.
Which is a true story. They did fix it in the morning, and this mob had no hot water because they had bikers in town. They'd all had a shower, and but we got a hot shower this morning, which was pretty good.
So all's good in the world.
All is good in the world, and we're heading towards, where are we going, Shaz?
Euclid today. We're on the Nullarbor, back on the Nullarbor.
On the Nullarbor. So we're looking out for camels, eagles, and anything else that moves.
We've driven so far that we saw a sign just now saying Adelaide. Oh, that's the first recognisable sign we've seen for months.
There wouldn't be many places in the world where you could see camels and whales on the same stretch of road, would there?
No, they probably wouldn't. No.
So, there you go.
There you go.
We'll see you all later.
See ya.
We're back in the country, those big holes in the red dirt. We tried working out what they were last year, or not last year, 3 years ago.
Yeah.
What are they, sweetness? You worked it out, didn't you?
Spiders. They look like ants' nests, but they're really big, like a big hole. And I looked it up, and apparently it's some sort of spider. So they got a lot of spiders out here.
They have. They're everywhere, those holes out here, aren't they? Just all over the place. So don't go sticking sticks down the nose and stirring up the spiders.
Somebody might, I don't know who, but
Don't know who'd do that. That'd be a silly thing to do. They would. So you have fun. Bring anything else interesting, we'll show you. As we're on our little stretch of 90-mile road, dead straight, isn't it?
It is, yes.
Heading towards the Nullarbor.
Yes.
Yes. Not much wildlife out here, Shazza.
Nothing at this stage, no.
We'd be about the only wildlife on this road, I'd say.
Yeah. Us and the road trains.
That's it. So, yes, if we find anything, we'll bring it to you. But I reckon there'll be some action down the Nullarbor. There'll be camels and there'll be
lots of action.
There'll be all sorts of stuff going on. There'll be emus doing little dances. Alright, I'll stop talking shit and we'll go now. See ya. Found something big for you.
A big kangaroo with a big jar of Vegemite. How random is that?
Yeah, that's pretty random. And we're going to play a little golf on the golf course here.
Yeah, not many people play golf on the Nullarbor.
No.
Sure, he's going to have a hit.
We'll see you in a bit.
See you. Doing his warm up.
This could end very badly.
2 seconds. You kick up some dust. Playing a little bit of round of golf. I know nothing about golf, but at least you can say he's played golf on. I know nothing about golf, but there's little golf courses all along the Nullarbor. We don't have time to call into all of them, but we're doing this one because this is where we're staying at Border Village. So Shorey can say he's played golf on the Nullarbor. Go Shorey! Yay! Good job, Shorey.
Shazza, we're on this great Australian Bight.
At sunrise, and it's 4 degrees. The things you do for a photo.
It's freezing, so we're getting back in the car. See you all.
See ya.
Shazza, we've had a dingo fest
Dingo fest.
on this trip, haven't we? Just got some more along the Nullarbor.
2 more. Yeah.
2 more.
And one's just sitting at the servo.
Getting food is off everyone as they go past. She looks like she's got pups.
Yeah.
She's probably got them stashed somewhere close and goes down to the roadhouse to get food.
And the other one we got in the bush.
Yeah, that one was in the wild, but yeah. So yeah, there you
So
go.
add that to the wildlife list.
Yes. Dingoes galore.
Yeah.
We're still travelling across the Nullarbor, so if we get anything else, Shaz did get a shot of a whale, a crow and a dingo all together in the one shot. You have to wait and see that one.
Yeah,
That's,
you wait and see that one.
yeah. The crow's sitting on the whale's tail and the dingo's just sitting there watching, so yeah.
A one in a lifetime
That's
shot.
a one in a lifetime shot, Shazza.
Edinburgh will be after it.
He will be, for sure. If we get anything else, we'll let you have a look at it. How's that sound?
We're walking down to the boardwalk at the Bight. There is whales everywhere down here. Oh my goodness. Oh, look at them all. We're not allowed to fly the drone, but we can see them. They're amazing. Love it. This is amazing. The boardwalk, and there is whales. I've counted 6 so far just walking down here. It's so cool. Oh, this has been an absolute highlight, hasn't it, Troy?
It has whales everywhere, Shaz.
It's
been amazing.
We have lost count how many whales are out there.
Well, Shazza, wasn't that an amazing experience?
Oh my goodness. Prepare yourself for a lot of photos and footage in the next few seconds. Oh, head to the Bight Visitor Centre, the whale watching platforms. Oh my god. Do you know, we counted over 50 whales and calves.
Yep, it's amazing.
Crazy.
They're just floating around everywhere there in really blue water. And
So close, you can get photos with your phone.
Yeah.
That's how close it is.
And there's a lot more out there too, because you can see spurts further out. There's a couple breaching further out, but
Beautiful blue water.
yeah, awesome.
Absolute highlight of our trip.
Yes.
One of many.
So
but
if you want, it's been really good for a few weeks, hasn't it? So it must be around August time.
Yeah.
If you're coming over, go there because it's awesome.
Brilliant. Absolutely 10 out of 10.
So expect a few photos. We should have a few photos.
Yeah, just a few.
Just a few. Get bombarded by Shazza's photos.
So here you go.
There you go. See you in a bit. Shazza, I've never seen so many stumpies in my entire life in one day. We've done 6Ks or 5Ks and seen 6 stumpies.
It was crazy.
It
was crazy. They were just everywhere, just all going in the same direction across the road. They were, so yeah.
Pretty cool.
So we'll bring you some footage of a couple of stumpies.
Yeah.
Shazza, there's windmills everywhere.
There is. We're in Penong, just before Ceduna. We're going to stay at Ceduna for a couple of days. We didn't think we'd get any footage coming across the Nullarbor to make, never alone make a movie, but between Norseman and here, we have enough to make a movie. So there you go. Stay tuned.
We'll make a little move and then we'll start another one from
Ceduna.
Ceduna.
Yeah.
How's that sound?
So.